Why are we going to call her?
Because we're going to call her and say...
Come here, come in the kitchen. Come here. Magnum, come here. So, what do you have? What are those? Race cars?
Yes.
And they're bedtime and morning slippers.
Winning. And bedtime.
That's what he told us.
Come here, let me see them. You like walking them?
Yeah, twisty.
Very cool.
There's a super guy.
Yeah.
Save the day.
Yes.
Hey, Dougie, come here. Dance. Get back. Is that Elmo?
Is that Elmo? And these are my best. My best car is different.
She's pretty cool, that Miss Shanny, Aunt Shanny and Tatum and Ben and Uncle Dave.
I'm going to take these off.
Don't press them. Why are you going to take them off?
Because
Yeah, I can leave it. Because what?
Okay, say thank you, Aunt Shannon.
Thank you, Shannon.
Thank you, Uncle Dave.
Thank you, Uncle Dave.
Thank you, Shannon, Tatum and Ben.
Tim and Ben.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say bye.
Bye.
Where's Duncan?
Bye.
He hasn't kicked him off.
No, he wears shoes all the time.
Oh, here he comes.
And they have big boy haircuts. Duncan's first big boy haircut.
Say bye.
Can I play with this,
Say
Mom?
bye.
How about
Duncan,
we
say bye.
wait till tomorrow morning when Miss Stephanie gets here?
You know what? And I'm sorry. I think it's broken. We have to send it back.
Yeah.
No, brother, do.
No, see? No, see, I'm pushing the button. It doesn't work. I think we have to send it back. Oh, well.
Not a chance. Not a chance.
Mom, can I play with this?
You know what? It's getting ready for bedtime, so we're going to save that for when you're
Oh,
sleeping in the
There
morning.
they go.
He's like, is someone watching me? He takes shoes on and off all day long. Couldn't have been a better gift. He wants to put the car shoes on.
Can I play with this?
All right.
Can I have hugs and kisses?